Yeah, I extend a very warm welcome to all the delegates and my sincere thanks to the organizers for giving me this opportunity to be here with you and to speak about the kind of work we are doing in the area of Industry 4.0, digitalization, implementation of technology to transform railway maintenance and operation and maintenance. Although I'll be going to my presentation, but to set the context, right context, we actually are trying to move away from isolated initiatives to building ecosystems. It was also talked about in the panel discussion also that there is a need to shift from making piecemeal initiatives to towards building an ecosystem so that we get a larger advantage. And also not only to synergize between the technology and the management. That is what has been followed in the globally also in the Indian industry, mainly in auto sector, engineering sector, that needs to come to the railway sector also. And the concept which we have been working on, we term it as lean digital railway ecosystem, where we get the synergy of lean and digital or lean and technology. And in my presentation today, it will have some portion of the vision or concept with practice, or I say vision with action. And it is mainly from the user's perspective, where we talk about development of systems, technological solutions, and their use and promotion to the Indian Railways. So currently, I am talking about the Konkan Railway, where I come from. Just to give you a brief introduction, it's a government of India public sector undertaking, working as one of the zonal railways like the other railway zones. And it is the government of India under Ministry of Railways has 51% share in this company. And remaining stake comes from the 4 state governments, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. This railway was commissioned in 1998 and currently has 3 business verticals: train operations, infrastructure and O&M projects, which we do for the other clients other than ourselves, and also consulting projects. We have around 750 kilometer railway line, 100% electrified. And out of this, we can see the statistics. We have 91 tunnels with 84 kilometer stretch, and the total out of the total 740 kilometer, 43% of our railway line is either on tracks or tunnels or cuttings. So there are challenges in operations, but still we have, although not as large as compared to the zonal railways, but still we have both passenger and freight operations, where we do around 50 trains per day, all formats of trains, long distance, intercity, suburban, with the speed potential of 120 km per hour. And also we have freight operations as part of Indian Railway network, where we have an interchange of around 20 trains per day. Apart from this, we are also, Konkan Railway is known for undertaking major infrastructure projects. Like we have the J&K line, where we are constructing the famous Chenab Bridge, which is going to be the highest bridge on the world. And we have recently also started new business streams in rolling stock side with the design and construction of rolling stock factories, workshops, and undertaking rolling stock supply and railway operation and maintenance projects. And also railway operation and developing and promoting railway operations and maintenance technology, and where I am going to focus today in this presentation. And we have also made inroads into the international business. And as you know, we have currently been undertaking the project with Nepal Railway Company, and this is the first cross-border rail link which we are operating. And as part of this contract, we have supplied the rolling stock. We are currently undertaking operation and maintenance, supply of manpower, training of Nepalese manpower, and also comprehensive maintenance of rolling stock. In addition to this, we are also trying to explore the business in other part of the world, especially with regard to the infrastructure and also O&M side. As regards the The Industry 4.0 digitalization which we are talking today, majorly these things are coming because this Industry 4.0 digitalization has a larger area, and it is applicable to all sort of industries in all domains. Within the railways, this comes under Rail 4.0. And that is what some subheads where it can be implemented that I have tried to bring it here. It can be the customer interface, mainly the commercial activities. It can be into the operation and maintenance, infrastructure and asset management, rolling stock, construction and project management, and people management. Out of these, we have been focusing on rolling stock, operation and maintenance, and infrastructure and asset management. That has been our currently the focus area, where we are, as part of Indian Railway system or standalone also, we are undertaking projects in these areas. In operation and maintenance, we have 3 schemes: Smart Yard, as it is being done in railways also, is about freight yard automation. Then we have a smart maintenance depots and also smart workshops. This is, we term as 4 building blocks of rolling stock maintenance, which comes the smart, the first part is the smart rolling stock, which Indian Railway has been taking several initiatives, both on freight wagon side and the coaches side also. This combined with the smart yard, as I spoke to you about, with the network of wayside equipment installed on main line and yards to check the rolling stock parameters, such as hot box detectors, axle box, for bearing and wheel temperature detection, then wheel condition monitoring system, vision. These are the various equipment which are the part of smart yards. And then connected with this, we have then smart, the depots and smart workshops. We do the minor maintenance, the major maintenance, and the refurbishing part. So this is a typical schematic that we are envisioned, on which we are working to develop various systems and technologies. In the smart yard side, the major focus areas, the activity areas have been the rolling in location, the maintenance line, the repair sheds, and also the control room. So these are the points where the implementation of the technology in terms of, we call it digital technologies or Industry 4.0 technologies, are being implemented. And some of the equipment to mention here, which are the part of smart yard equipment, the hot axle and hot wheels detector as part of automated train examination system. This is the system which has been developed by Konkan Railway. Konkan Railway has, we have few installation in our railway system, and now we have some 10 installation in the Indian Railway also. This coupled with the wheel impact load detector to check the condition of wheels, wheel condition monitoring system, machine vision system. We are also working on this project using artificial intelligence, that I'll speak about. Car body sketch. So these are the basic equipment that go as part of smart yard. Then we also have is the scheme of smart coach maintenance system, where we have the smart coaches, which the Indian Railways production units have already been manufacturing. Now, as you may be aware that the production units are now manufacturing coaches which come with a lot of sensors, the onboard sensing systems. So these things are already been there. So we are using as part of the Indian Railway network. Apart from that, the automated train examination system I spoke to you about, developed by our own system. Now further we are going to implement the equipment like wheel monitoring system, automatic coach washing plant we already have. Then we have SCADA-based computerized brake test system, rake and single car and rake test rigs for brake testing. And this coupled with, we are also integrating this with the integrated coach management system on Indian Railways. So this is going to be a scheme, the scheme where we not try to do some piecemeal work and install one equipment. We try to build a ecosystem for freight examination, freight maintenance, coaching maintenance, etc. So this is the schematic of automated train examination system which I spoke to about, which we have developed and installed in our system and also in the Indian Railways. So this is a track site unit photograph of one of the stations. And then this is the what we call term as external notification system, where you have all the parameters coming to your control room and also to the yard office control room, which I spoke to you about. And it also has features such as condition monitoring, data analytics, trend monitoring, and also now we have image processing features also, which we are further trying to build through artificial intelligence, where we can now generate alerts also, so that if any rolling stock is defective, we get to know in advance and we take correct rectification action on that. In addition to that, we have also been working on a project what we call a smart workshop. So this workshop again, we are coming out with various features which are going to become template for the Indian Railways. And a lot of inputs we have taken from other sectors like automotive sector to make lean shop floor process-based layouts, assembly line models for automatic handling system, automated bogie assembly, disassembly lines, robotic systems. And then we also have to begin with the 3-layer SCADA system, where the SCADA can monitor and also control at equipment level to monitor the productivity and reliability parameters, and at workshop level and plant level also. In addition to that, we are also trying to implement various Industry 4.0 features also, where the machine can be remotely controlled and machine can be connected also with each other. This is a typical schematic of one of the automated bogie assembly overhauling line which we have created, and now this is going to be a template for the other units of the Indian Railways. On the infrastructure side, we are working on 3 projects. The intelligent track machine maintenance system, rail track monitoring system, and AI operated level crossing gate system. So these are the 3 projects which are on the infrastructure and asset management side. This product is already in use in our system. This track machines management system is a web portal and Android application based system, which is used to monitor and maintain the track machines, the rail maintenance vehicles and other utility vehicles. And so it can be used on the Android, the smartphones, and also through the portal also it can be used. So it is able to capture machine history, it can track machine movement, it helps enables operations and preventive maintenance schedules. So this, we have tried to cover almost 14 types of machines onto this. So this, connected with the server we have host in our corporate office, and it is used at the operator level to make data entry and all on the site, used by the supervisors and also executives to monitor performance and do plannings also, maintenance planning, inventory planning, other things. So this also respectively has come to very good shape, and now we have been using it for last more than 6 months now. So this is a screenshot of the web portal which we used, where you can feed input data, you can monitor you can track your machines, you can monitor the failures, you can monitor the productivity and all those things. Then rail track monitoring system is currently, to tell you that we are currently working on this project with CDAC, and as I mentioned to you, now our territory is all full with tunnels and cuttings. It's a very, yeah. So so this system is currently under development and at POC stage, but the kind of result we are getting is going to be successful, and maybe once it gives good result, it can be further promoted. And so it has a rail side unit and also the server unit, where the both supervised learning and deep learning applications are there to generate alerts for various kind of unusual that happen on track and tunnels. These are some of the photographs you can see now which have been generated. Photograph for some object detection on the track, for border fall, etc. Then one of the project we have recently started is the automation of it is again AI based system we want to create, because we have around 90 level crossings. Some are located very remote place where it's not possible for the human being, our staff also to reach. So we want to also automate this system also, and where the AI application can be there for automation of the gate system, and the station master can operate it from remotely, and as the pointsman, the gateman works at the site, that work can happen automatically at the gate location. So this is a schematic of what we are trying to develop, and now currently we are also looking for the industry to come and support us in these projects. At the end, as I spoke to you, we have a vision, we have a plan, we have a schematic, a framework available with us. We are doing some projects, but then again, the ultimate objective is to finally to build an ecosystem which is enabled by Industry 4.0 and digital, and covering all domains. We spoke about the 2-3 domains, covering all domains, and engineered system which we can build, and also now synchronizing this with the management practices, and certainly through the participation of institutes and industries. So we are already always looking for this. Thank you.